Good morning everyone, it's Victor here once again and welcome to Victor's Tiny Kitchen. And for today guys, we're going to be making beef stroganoff. You might be wondering why beef stroganoff, why is it part of Filipino cuisine? I don't know either, but I have always known that this is part of the Filipino cuisine. Whenever there's party, whenever there's special occasions back in the Philippines, sometimes you will have beef stroganoff on the table. Even here in Canada, whenever we have potlucks or gatherings of friends and families, there's sometimes beef stroganoff on the table, and Filipinos love it. So thank you, Russia, for making this a part of Philippine cuisine. Let's go right at it, guys. But first, let me show you the ingredients. Of course, I have beef here, about 700 grams of beef chuck steak. We're going to slice this later on. Of course, I have button mushrooms. I have red onions. I have garlic here. And then I have corn flour. I have about 1/4 cup of red wine. I have about a big pinch of Spanish paprika. I have red bell pepper. I have green bell pepper. I have, of course, salt here. I have premium quality soy sauce. And then I have Maggi seasoning here. I have olive oil. I have butter here. And then some freshly ground pepper later on. I have half and half cream. I have ketchup and Worcestershire sauce. Did I miss anything? I think we're good. Okay guys, so let me start by slicing our beef here. So guys, I've finished slicing our beef. So right at this point, I'm going to marinate our beef here. So first, we're going to add our wine here. And then our paprika. I'd like to use paprika because I want to have a bit of bite in our stroganoff later on. Plus, it adds color to it. And now what we're going to do is going to add a bit of our coarse salt here. As you can see guys, I opted not to use fish sauce, but it's an option for you if you want to use it. But for me, I'm going to prefer to just use salt here and soy sauce, which we're going to add right now. And then I'm going to add this spicy seasoning. It's Maggi seasoning. I think this is imported from Switzerland. I picked this up from one of the grocery stores here. And then we're gonna add pepper and our Worcestershire sauce. Just a little bit. I'm gonna wash my hands again. And now with my bare hands, guys, I'm going to mix all these ingredients together just to make sure that our beef here is going to absorb all the flavors of the ingredients that we've added. And then right at this point, guys, I'm going to add our corn flour here. The reason why I'm using corn flour as well is it's because of its texture. The golden color of it makes our stroganoff it looks more appealing when it has a kind of orangey, yellowish kind of color later on. So what we're going to do is mash them together. Make sure that our beef here absorbs all these nice ingredients. It's going to be coated as well by the corn flour, which is kind of nice. If you don't have corn flour, you can use the all-purpose flour as well. That's an option. This time I'm done mixing them all together. What I'm going to do is I'm going to set this aside maybe for the next 15 minutes. And while this is marinating, I'm going to prepare all the other ingredients. Hi guys, we're back here and I'm here with my cooktop ready. And my pan here is already heating. What we're going to do is we're going to add olive oil into the pan. And a little bit of butter. So what we're going to do right now is first to saute our beef. We'll turn it brown and golden. Make sure that all the ingredients are infused. So right now we're going to do one side, and then we're going to do the other side later on. It's a lot of beef and I have a smaller pan here, so we're just going to do this by batch. So maybe 2 batches. So the first batch is done and I've just transferred this into the plate here. And now I'm doing the second batch. And while we're waiting for the second batch, the first side of the second batch to brown, we're going to prepare our other ingredients. So we're going to do our red onion. So we're going to turn over the second batch. Okay. So the second batch is done. Now we're going to put back our first batch into the pan. And then what we're going to do is add butter. And then a little bit more of olive oil. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to push my meat to the other side. Give a little bit of space for the vegetables to saute. And we're going to add in our red onion into the pan. Turn up my heat here a bit. At this point I'm going to add in my garlic. And then at this point, guys, I'm going to add in both my peppers. Just to make sure that my beef is not burning underneath. And what I'm going to do at this point is I'm going to add the half and half cream. A generous amount of it. Maybe this is enough for now, but if we need more, I have more of my half and half cream. And what we're going to do is cover it for 5 minutes, and we'll be right back. So guys, at this point, I am checking our beef stroganoff here, and it's simmering. So at this point, I'm going to add in our button mushrooms. I mix them, turn on the heat a bit. At this point, guys, I need to add more cream into it, just a tad bit. That's enough. Mix them well. And then we'll taste it if we need more salt or not. I need a little bit more of salt. Just a pinch. Gonna give it a stir. We'll cover it and let it simmer for another 5 minutes. So the final step, guys, is to add ketchup. Just a tiny bit. We're gonna give it a mix one final time. So at this point, guys, I'm just gonna let it simmer without the lid on so that the sauce will reduce. So guys, our beef stroganoff finally done. So guys, here we are, and our beef stroganoff is finally done. And I have a good amount of rice here. It's perfect. Stroganoff is perfect with rice. But then guys, if you want to choose other carb to partner with your stroganoff, then so be it. You can maybe eat it with pasta, maybe with grilled or steamed potato, and whatever you have. I have here mixed brown and white rice, and I'm gonna taste it right now. Make sure that I have the sauce. A little bit of green onions. Taste it, guys. It's really good. It's creamy and the beef is just soft and succulent. It's so delectable, special taste. Guys, try it. And if you have any variations, let me know. You can write it in the comment section. But try it, guys. Whenever you have potluck, wherever you are, or gatherings with friends and family, or whoever you want to share it with, special someone, try serve this one. It's really divine. So guys, if you like what I did today, please don't forget to click those like and share buttons, as well as click the big subscribe button there in case you haven't yet. And let me know what you think about this dish. And if you, like I said, if you have any comments, any suggestions, let me know under the comment section there. So thank you so much, guys, and please don't forget to watch my other videos. And thanks for today, and thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you on my next one. Thanks, guys.